Some important question for NEET examination from classification of organism. The first question, two kingdom system of classification does not distinguish between eukaryotes and prokaryote, unicellular and multicellular organism, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organism, all of these. The answer is the option 4, all of these, because in two kingdom system classification, there is no distinction between eukaryote and prokaryote. In the kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia, both contain prokaryote and eukaryote organism, particularly in Plantae. Unicellular and multicellular organisms also were kept in kingdom Plantae and Animalia. Some photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organisms were kept together in kingdom Plantae. Non-photosynthetic organism in kingdom Plantae were the fungi. Question 2. The five kingdom system of classification of proposed by R.H. Whitaker, 1969. Question number 3. Which of the following is not the basis of five kingdom system classification? The cell structure, body organization, reproduction, reserve food material. These cell structure, body organization, and reproductions are the basis of five kingdom classification, but the food reserve are not the basis of classification. So answer is this reserve food material. The one important basis of the classification of five kingdom system is the evolutionary relationship. Next question. In Whitaker's five kingdom classification, viruses were kept in five kingdom system. The viruses have not got any of the kingdom. Also, lichen has not got any place in the five kingdom classification. Viruses were not kept because viruses are not considered as living organism, but the lichen has not got, because this is a association between plants and fungi. This is one of the important demerit of five kingdom classification. Question 5. Position of bacteria in system of classification proposed by Linnaeus is. Linnaeus classification is two kingdom system classification, and there it was Plantae and Animalia. All the organisms were kept either under Plantae or under Animalia, and bacteria, as they contain the cell wall, so they were kept under the kingdom Plantae. Question 6. Among the following, which one of is the most abundant organism? Among these algae, virus, protista, and bacteria, the bacteria are the most abundant organism on this earth. And among the bacteria, there is heterotrophic bacteria are most abundant. Question 7. The primitive prokaryote responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals includes the options are thermoacidophile, methanogen, eubacteria, halophils. These are the organism that is methanogens, methane producing organisms. In the biogas, the methane is the main component. Question 8. Unicellular algae Chlamydomonas belongs to which kingdom in the five kingdom system of classification? The Chlamydomonas is an unicellular eukaryotic autotrophic organism. This Chlamydomonas should be kept in the kingdom Protista, but the Chlamydomonas has been kept kingdom Plantae due to its closeness with algae, and algae are under kingdom Plantae. This is another demerit of the five kingdom classification. Question 9. Pick up the wrong statement. Cell wall is absent in Animalia. This is true. Protista have photosynthetic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Under the Protista, both heterotrophic and autotrophic organisms are there. Some fungi are edible, so this is also true. This is true. The nuclear membrane is present in Monera. This option, this is a wrong statement. So the answer is number 4. Nuclear membrane is absent in kingdom Monera. In question number 10, select the incorrect statement. 1. Nostoc and Anabina have heterocyst for nitrogen fixation. This is very correct. The Nostoc, Anabina, they are the blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. They have a special type of cell called heterocyst. These are sliced for the nitrogen fixation. Number 2, cyanobacteria often form blooms in polluted water bodies. This is the heavy growth of cyanobacteria cause the blooming, and it cause the water polluted. Sometimes it secrete some poison also and kill aquatic animal like fish, etc. So this is also true. Number 3, heterotrophic bacteria are more abundant in nature. This statement is true. The cell wall of mycoplasma are made of chitin. This statement is wrong because the mycoplasma is without a cell wall. Thank you.